shortage of class 11. The problem identified by us was the constant decrease in the population of plants and animals, which may lead in the instability of the ecosystem. From many years, we are also observing that the natural resources are also decreasing from many days. So, for overcoming these problems, we have made a prototype. This prototype is named as CLOS, which means Cerebral Logical Automated Wildlife Center.
Here is our RFID security system. In this we use one RFID module, one servo motor, one Arduino Uno, breadboard, buzzer, LED light and some jumper wires. When we show the wrong card, the buzzer beeps and the red light indicates that the card is wrong. When we show the correct card, the buzzer beeps. When we show the correct card, the servo motor opens and we can enter in our wildlife sanctuary, and after some time it automatically closed.
After the RFID module, we have installed a visitor counting mechanism in our wildlife sanctuary. It contains an Arduino Uno, an LCD screen and a touch sensor. After entering the sanctuary, the visitor has to touch on the touch sensors to increase the number of passengers, and before exiting also he has to perform the same thing to decrease the strength. The working of the visitor counter. As the visitor will touch on the touch sensor, the strength will increase by 1, and before exiting it will touch so that the strength will become 0.
Here is our Bluetooth controlled safari car by which we can enjoy our whole wildlife sanctuary. This car is controlled by our main system, which is connected with this by Bluetooth.
After the visitor counter, we have installed a radar system which contains servo motor, sonar sensors, Arduino Uno and an OLED screen and some jumper wires. In this radar system, the sonar sensors oscillates at the top of the wildlife sanctuary to have a look on everything present in the sanctuary. The sonar sensors are oscillating on the sanctuary and the distance of the objects from the sonar sensor are indicated on the OLED screen. The radar is oscillating at the top of the wildlife sanctuary like this, and the information is indicated on the OLED screen like the distance of the objects from the sonar sensors, and any doubtful movement is indicated on the OLED screen so that we can check whether the wildlife sanctuary is secure or not.